Another example for multiplication of a polynomial with a polynomial is multiply 1.5a minus 2.5b into 1.5a by 1.5a plus 2.5b. These two you need to multiply. Okay, so what will happen here is 1.5a minus 2.5b we are multiplying together. Okay, now see here 1.5a you can convert to a fraction also, right? Instead of working with decimal, it is always convenient to convert it into a fraction. So let us convert these to fractions first. 1.5 can be written as 15 by 10 and 2.5 can be written as 25 by 10. Similarly here also. Okay, now you cancel this by 5. Okay, so what you ultimately get here is 3a by 2 minus 5b by 2, and here you get 3a by 2 plus 5b by 2. Okay, now you start multiplying. This is a plus here, this is a plus here. If you remember multiplication, I told you term by term multiplication is the best way to multiply. So you multiply plus 3a by 2 with plus 3a by 2. So you have 3a by 2 into 3a by 2. Next, plus this plus sign will combine with this plus sign to give you a plus sign. And you multiply the terms 3a by 2 into 5b by 2. Next, this minus sign will combine with this plus sign to give you a minus sign. And then you multiply these two terms 5b by 2 into 3a by 2. And finally, this minus sign will combine with this plus sign to give you a minus sign. So 5b by 2 into 5b by 2, right? So now what happens? This 3a by 2 by 3a by 2, if you multiply, this will become 3a by 2 square, right? Here what will happen if you multiply these? 3 into 5 will give you a 15, and a and b are already there, and in a denominator 2 and 2 will multiply to give you a 4. Similarly here, if you multiply, it will give you a 15ab by 4, and here this will be 5b by 2 whole square. Okay, so what you get here is this, and this will cancel because plus and minus signs are there. So you ultimately get only 3a by 2 whole square minus 5b by 2 whole square. Now what you can do is you can simplify this a little further. You can, this 3a by 2 whole square becomes 9a square by 4, and this 5b by 2 becomes 25b square by 4. Any questions? This is your answer. Any questions in any step?
No.
No questions? Fine. Then we'll move on to our next example. Before moving on to the exercise problems, I'm discussing 2 or 3 examples so that we are more comfortable in discussing the exercise problems. So exercise, so this here is the next example that I'm going to take is multiply. Yes, multiply 5x plus 3x square minus 7 by 2 plus 3x. Okay. So we have to multiply 2 plus 3x by this. Now see here, this is the power of x here is lesser, right? The power here is 1. The power here is 2. The highest power in this is an algebraic expression, right? This is also an algebraic expression. The power of x, the highest power of x here is 1, and the highest power of x here is 2. So what we do is we write the lower power first. 2 plus 3x. The algebraic expression with the lower power, we write first. And this expression, we write with starting from x square. 3x square plus 5x minus 7. Now writing this way is not necessary, okay? But if you write it this way, it will be a little more convenient, okay? You can write it in any order you want. The process of multiplication will remain the same. We will multiply everything term by term, okay? Now see here, there is a plus sign here and there is a plus sign here. So we'll multiply where these two plus signs will combine here to give you a plus sign, and we'll multiply 2 and 3x square. Again, this plus sign will combine with this plus sign to give you a plus sign. 2 and you multiply with 5x, right? Again, this plus sign will combine with this minus sign to give you a minus sign. 2 into 7, right? So I've multiplied 2 with all the terms here. This 2 has been multiplied with all three. This one, this one, this one. This is over. Now we'll come to 3x. Now this plus will combine with this plus to give you a plus 3x into 3x square. This plus will combine with this plus to give you a plus 3x into 5x. And finally, this plus will combine with this minus to give you a minus 3x into 7. Okay. And now we simplify this. This 3 into 2 will give you a 6x square. 5 into 2 will give you a 10x. 7 into 2 will give you a 14. 3 into 3x into 3x square will give you a plus 9x cube. 3x into 5x will give you a 15x square. And 3 into 7 will give you a 21x. Okay, now a better way of writing is write the highest power of x first. So highest power of x is cube. So write 9x cube first. Then you have these two like terms, plus 6x square plus 15x square. Okay, so you write the next powers first and the like terms also. Next, what is the next power? 10x and 21x. Write them together. Plus 10x minus 21x. And finally, you have a plus 14. Minus 14, in fact. Right, minus 14 here. So this becomes 9x cube. If you add 15 and 6, you'll get 21 x square. And 10 minus 21 is minus 11 x minus 14. And that is your answer. Any question on multiplication? Any question on this problem?
No, sir.
We
No,
consider the
sir.
next example.
No, sir.
Find the product of find the product of 2x square minus 3x plus 5 and 5x square minus 2x minus 7. Okay. So we start by saying product is equal to, we write the expressions. Now this expression, we write the highest power first. It is already given in that order. X square is first, then is your x, and then is your 5. And similarly for the second one, we write the x square first, then x, and then the constant term. Now we are going to multiply. So here you have a plus and here you have a plus. Again, term by term multiplication we are going to carry out. This plus sign combined with this plus sign to give you a plus sign. You have 2x square into 5x square. Again, this plus sign combined with this minus sign to give you a minus. 2x square into 2x. Again, this plus sign combined with this minus sign to give you a minus 2x square into 7, right? Next, so 2x square I have multiplied with all three here. Next we come to this 3x. So this minus sign combined with this plus sign to give you a minus sign. You have 3x into 5x square. Okay. Next, this minus sign will combine with this minus sign to give you a plus 3x into 2x. Fine. And then this minus sign will combine with this minus sign to give you a plus sign 3x into 7. Okay. Next, this plus sign will combine with this plus sign to give you a plus 5 into 5x square. Next, this plus sign will combine with this minus sign. So plus 5 into, sorry, this plus sign will combine with this minus to give you a minus sign. We'll have a minus here. So 5 into 2x. And then this plus sign will combine with this minus sign to give you a minus sign 5 into 7. Now we simply, uh, you just simplify this. So you get 5 into 2, 10, x to the power of 4 you get here. Next here, you have 2x square into 2x. So you get minus 4x cube. Then here you get minus 14x square. Next here you get minus 15x cube. Here you get plus 6x square. Next you have 21x. That is this one. Next here you have this one. So plus 25x square. Next you have this one minus 10x. And next you have this one minus 35. Now what are the like terms? You have x to the power of 4, simple x to the power of 4 you write. Now you collect the x cube terms together. You have x cube here, you have x cube here, and no other. So you take them together, minus 4x cube, minus 15x cube. Now you collect the x squares together. You have a minus 4x square here, 14x square, you have a plus 16x square, and you have a 25x square. Collect them together, minus 14x square, plus 6x square, plus 25x square. Next we are going to collect the x's together. You have a plus 21x, and you have a minus 10x. The only thing left is minus 35. You write it as it is. Now we are going to simplify. 10x to the power of 4 minus 15 minus 4 will give you a minus 19 x cube. Now here you have minus 14x square. So you first do your addition. 25 plus 6 is 31 x square. And then 21 minus 10 will give you a 11 plus 11x minus 35. And so now your ultimate answer here is 10x to the power of 4 minus 19x cube. 31 minus 14 is 17. So plus 17 x square plus 11x minus 35. And this is your answer. Any questions on this problem? Any step?
No, sir.
If
No, sir.
No, sir.
not, then I will proceed with the last example.
No, sir.
Okay, the last example. Or you want more examples, or should I proceed to the exercise? Let us see. Let me do two more problems, and then I will proceed to the exercise. Question here is multiply number 1. 5x to the power of 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x minus 4 by 2 minus 3x minus 7x square. Okay. And the second one is, two questions are there, which is 3x square minus 2xy minus 4y square by 2x minus 3y minus 5. Okay, so these two. Let us start with the first one. In the first one, you have to multiply these two. So you write in the proper order. Okay, so what you do is you write this first. So minus 7x square. See, there's a minus 7x square here. So I've written that first. And then you have minus 3x plus 2. And then you have this one, 5x to the power of 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x minus 4. You write product is equal to, and then you start. Again, you will multiply term by term. Okay. You will multiply this term by term. First, you will multiply 7x square with all these terms. Okay. And considering the signs also. So you will multiply minus 7x square you take. In fact, 7x, first you see the sign here. You have a minus sign, and you have a plus sign here. So minus combines with this plus to give you a plus, minus, sorry, 7x square into 5x to the power of 4. Right? Next, this minus combines with this minus to give you a plus 7x square into 2x cube. This minus now combined with this plus to give you a minus sign 7x square into 3x. And this minus sign combined with this minus sign to give you a plus sign 7x square into 4. Okay, I'm writing below, but try to write in a straight line as much as possible. So you have a minus now. Now 3x will combine with all the terms. So minus 3x minus and plus will give you a minus sign here. 3x into 5x to the power of 4. Again, this minus will combine with this minus to give you a plus sign 3x into 2x cubed. This minus will now combine with this plus to give you a minus sign 3x into 3x. And this minus will now combine with this minus to give you a plus sign to give you 3x into 4. And then now this 2 is left, so 2 will be multiplied by all. So this plus and this plus combine to give you a plus sign 2 into 5x to the power of 4. This plus will combine with this minus to give you a minus sign 2 into 2x cube. This plus sign will combine with this plus sign to give you a plus sign 2 into 3x. This plus will now combine with this minus to give you a minus sign 2 into 4. And now you just need to simplify. So this is 5 into 7, 35. X square and x to the power of 4 will combine to give you can add the powers, you get 6. Plus 7 into 2, 14 x to the power of 5. Minus 21 x cube. Plus 28 x square. Minus 15 x to the power of 5. Plus 6 x to the power of 4. Minus 9x square. Plus 12x. Plus 10x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube plus 6x minus 8. Now you take the highest power of x first. What is the highest power? 6, right? So 35x to the power of 6 you take first. Next, x to the power of 5. Do you have any like terms with x to the power of 5? Yes, you have these two and no other. Write them together. Plus 14x to the power of 5 minus 15x to the power of 5. Next power should be 4. So you have here is your power 4 and here is your power 4. So you take them together. Plus 6x to the power of 4 plus 10x to the power of 4. Next should be power 3 or cube. Okay. So power 3 right here. What are the powers here? Power 3 here. This 21 is power 3. and this is also your power 3. So minus 21x cube minus 4x cube. Next comes your power 2. What are the power 2? Is plus 28x square. Write it here, plus 28x square. And this minus 9x square is also there. So write it minus 9x square. And no other power 2 I can see. Next power is 1. So what are the power 1 here? If you see this plus 12x is power 1, plus 12x. And you have a plus 6x also. And minus 8 is alone. So you write it as it is. So now you have 35x to the power of 6. 14 minus 15 is minus 1. So this is minus x to the power of 5. 6 plus 10 is 16. You get 16x to the power of 4. Minus 21 minus 4 is minus 25 x cube. 28 minus 9 is 19. So plus 19 x square. 12 plus 6 is 18. So plus 18x minus 8. And this is your answer. Right? So I hope there are no questions. Any questions on any step in this problem? All the signs and everything is clear, I
sir.
hope.
No, sir.
And I'll take the last
No,
example
sir.
now. The second one that I gave you was, second one, if you see the second problem here, this is multiply this and this. So let's write this. First write the lower powers first. 2x minus 3y minus 5. And this is multiplied by 3x square minus 2x5 minus 4y square. So let us attempt to multiply these. So here again we'll multiply, we'll follow exactly the same procedure term by term. There's a plus here, there's a plus here. So these two plus signs combine to give you a 2x into, now see, I'm not writing giving you the arrows. Okay, if you don't follow, just stop me there so that I can explain. 2x into 3x square. Next you have a minus sign, 2x into 2xy. Next you have again a minus sign, 2x into 4y square. Till this part, no questions.
No, sir.
Then we consider
No,
minus
sir.
3, minus 3y. So you have minus combining with this minus combined with this again to give you a minus 3y into 3x square. And similarly, we multiply with the next terms also, minus minus combined to give you a plus 3y into 2xy. And then again, minus minus combined to give you a plus 3y into 4y square. Next, you have a minus sign here. So this minus sign will combine with this plus sign to give you a minus 5 into 3x square. And 5 will then be multiplied by the other terms also. So minus minus will again combine to give you a plus 5 into 2xy. And finally, minus minus will again combine to give you 5 into 4y square. Now we shall simplify to get our product. So first one, this is 6x cube. Next one, this is minus 4x square y. Okay. Next is minus 8xy square. Again, you have a minus 9x square y. Then you have a plus 6xy square. Next again, you have a plus 12y cube. Next, you have a minus 15x square. Next, you have a plus 10xy. And again, you have a plus 20y square. Okay. So now we look for like terms. We write the highest power of, see, you have a highest power of x as 3 and you have the highest power of y as 3. So what we are going to do, we are going to, in one corner you are going to keep 6x cube, and the other corner you are going to keep 12y cube. Okay. So apart from this, whatever term you write, you will write in between. Okay. So let's start with x cube, 6x cube. So 6x cube, there are no other like terms. So we'll keep it as it is. Next one, you have x square y. Any other x square y here? Yes, there is an x square y here. Any other? No. So we'll write these together. Minus 4x square y minus 9x square y. Next, you have this xy square. And you have this xy square also, and no other xy square. So minus 8xy square plus 6xy square. So we write these together. Okay. And next you have an x square here. Next you have xy actually. Yes, you have xy here. We'll write this xy. You have a single 10xy, so no other like term. So you simply write xy. Next you have an x square here. Any other x square in this term? No. So it's write an x square here. And finally, you have a y square also. Okay, so plus 20y square, and no other like terms with 20y square. We write it as it is. And finally, you have a 12y cube. See that I have kept the highest power of x and the highest power of y on the two extremes, and whatever I have kept it in between. Okay, this is a good habit of writing. 6x cube. Now minus 4 minus 9 is minus 13 x square y. Minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2 xy square. This 10xy right as it is. This 15x square right as it is. 20xy square right as it is, and 12y cube right as it is. And that is your answer, right? So I hope there are no questions on this.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes.
Sir,
Tell me.